I would curse you, say things to hurt you. You just don't love me no more. Did you think I could hate you or raise my hand to you? Now come on, you know me too well. And how could I hurt you when, darling, I love you and you know I never hurt you. What did you think I would give at this moment? If you stay, I would subtract 20 years from my life. I'd fall down on my knees, kiss the ground that you walk on, baby. If I could just hold you again. What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and win, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Heaven, heartache, and the power of love. Come on! Stay up in heaven, the streets are gold once you get past the pearly gates, and the angels are singing at the top of a dove-wide staircase. And I say heartache can burn you down like hell, leave you begging, baby, please don't go. Till you're scraping rock bottom and crying in a deep dark hole. Oh, when love can make you fly like a rocket, put you on top of the world. I'm talking about heaven, it's where I hope I'm going. Heartache, that's where I've been. Heaven, heartache, and the power of love. Yeah. Well, the preacher says when your time is up, you take a chariot to the Lord. Well, I'm hoping my chariot's a torch red thunderbird Ford. And my old flame said, I hate to break it to you, darling, I was born believing kind. Love is standing in the dark, crying, why, baby, why? Oh, but real love's got me back in the saddle, shouting me again. It's what I know about heaven, it's where I hope I'm going. Heartache, well, that's where you know just where I'm coming from. Yeah, but you will see, it's just a matter of time. My love will surely make you mine. Well, I'm living in a world of getaway. Everyone seems so uptight, but nothing's wrong, it's alright with my man. See, I like the way we carry on his love, and you send me on and on with my man. People out there can understand I'm giving him something he can feel. Ooh, to let him know this love is real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, giving him something he can feel. All my love, to let him know this love is real. Hey, this love is real. Giving him something he can feel. I'm giving love. Hey, said I'm giving love.
Georgia, the whole day through, just an old sweet song. It keeps Georgia on my mind. Other arms reach out to me. Other eyes smile tenderly. Still in peaceful dreams I see the road leads back to you. Oh, Georgia, I said Georgia, no peace I find. Just an old sweet soul. Hey, oh, keeps Georgia on my mind. Oh, I said just an old sweet song. Well, it keeps Georgia on my mind.
Hey, little mama, ain't gotta ask me if I want to. Just tell me, can I get a light? Roll you up and let you run through my veins. 'Cause I can always see the farthest stars when I'm on you. I don't wanna ever come down off this cloud of loving you. And now you got me out up on that ocean. So high up on the ceiling, baby. Gonna be my dear baby. 'Cause all I want is you, baby. You're a little pushing love, girl. Ain't you? Yes, you are. Just my little pushing love, girl. Since you came around, I've been living a different life. She's my little Christian love girl. She loved him like he was the last man on earth. Gave him everything she ever had. Then he'd break her spirit down, then come loving her bone. Give a little, then take it back. One Sunday morning, she didn't go to church, and he wondered why she didn't leave. He went up to the bedroom, found a note by the window, with the curtains blowing in the breeze, and with a broken wing, she still sings, and she keeps an eye on the sky. With a broken wing, she carries her dreams. Man, you ought to see her Thank you. And we don't want to leave, no, we just want to be right now. And what we see is everybody's on the floor acting crazy, getting local to the lights out, music's on. We waking up and we got the vibes and we got the love. Yeah, it's bumping now, yeah, we're jumping now. There's no secret now, there's no secret now. When the lights stay down, they know what they heard. Strike a match, play it loud, giving love to the world. We'll be raising our hands, light it up to the sky. 'Cause we got the fire, fire, fire. Yeah, we got the fire. We're gonna let it burn. We're gonna let it burn. We'll be raising our hands, light it up to the sky. 'Cause we got the fire, fire, fire. Yeah, we got the fire, fire, fire. Here we go. Oh, we're gonna let it burn. Oh, yeah. We're gonna let it burn. Thank you, thank you, thank you. At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. Oh, you see, I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I could call my own. I found the thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have never known. Oh, yeah, 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 you smile, you smile. Oh, and then the spell was cast.
you, Angela, and a huge thank you to all of our singers. Once again, you can watch them perform live on Local 4 during our coverage of the Ford fireworks this coming Monday from 8 to 11 p.m. And don't forget to vote for the winner on clickondetroit.com later that evening. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your weekend.